next-gen smart hydroponic grow box. With Abby, anyone can grow any strain in any space. Just plug and play. You'll be amazed how fast your plant grows each time you open the door. All you need to do is change the water once a week. With our measureless, pre-packaged nutrients, your hands will stay clean. Abby has sunlight, flowing water, and breezing air all in one little box. She's the size of an end table and fits nicely in any corner of your home. But don't be fooled by its compact size. Abby comes with the industry's best Samsung LM301H full spectrum LED light and uses an advanced algorithm and light schedule. The dual carbon filter removes odors, keeping your room smelling fresh. And a sleek magnetic cover protects your privacy and prevents external lights from interfering with your plant. Finally, to add a personal touch, all Kickstarter backers will receive one-on-one growing support from our in-house growers for the first year from the Hey Abby app. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the pure fun of growing your homemade recipes. So this is Abby, always with a lowercase a and a big smile. Back us and start growing now with Abby.
Clovy, the IoT vertical garden that teaches you how to grow. Our frenetic urban lives often disconnect us from the people around us. Today, we seek ways to reconnect and restore healthy lifestyles. But the gap between us and the origin of our food is growing larger every day. According to the World Health Organization, we should consume at least 5 portions of fruit and vegetables per day. But most of the fresh food we eat is at risk of losing almost half of its nutrients once harvested, or even worse, gets wasted before reaching our table.
But there is a way you can change this by growing healthy food in your city. And to make urban farming easier for all, today we're launching Clovy, the newest IoT vertical garden that teaches you how to grow. We are Hexagrow, and in 2017, we started building the first urban farming platform to decentralize the way we grow and access healthy food. Leveraging urban agriculture and vertical farming, we preserve the highest nutrient content of fresh food and cut food miles. We launched our first product, Poti, in 2020, and since then we have delivered over 4,000 units to homes around Italy and Europe. Today, after receiving hundreds of feedbacks from our customers, we are happy to present you our newest product worldwide, Clovy, the smartest vertical garden that will guide you to a successful harvest in the comfort of your home. Clovy is available in 2 sizes and materials, Standard and Eco Premium. It features modular bases made of 100% recycled plastics and biocomposite materials derived from agricultural waste, such as wood chips and rice shells. Its compact water container will last up to 2 weeks without needing a refill, and the submersible water pump allows you to grow using both hydroponic fertigation and low-pressure aeroponics, making Clovy the most flexible garden ever conceived. Additionally, the IoT automation system helps you to remotely control, monitor, and improve your cultivation. It leverages a water level sensor to send you notifications when it's time to refill, and our Hexagrow mobile app will guide you through every step of the process. Thank you to our AI cultivation assistant, Hexbee.
By supporting our campaign, you will receive Clovy. And you will also have the opportunity to be among the very first ones to access our upcoming add-ons and product announcements.
Hexagrow's international and multidisciplinary team is a group of young, talented people striving for the vision of creating an urban farming global community, a movement of people passionate about growing food and eating healthy to decrease the environmental impact of their communities. Join our movement and be part of the urban farming revolution.
My name is Aline, and I'm a busy mom of two with no green thumb. I got tired of plastic packaging and food waste and was wondering about the chemicals on my leafy greens. So I spent the past 3 years researching and testing materials, plants, and prototypes to create a living, breathing product. My mission was to not only feed my family fresh, chemical-free food, but also make it look like beautiful art in the home. I wanted to create a solution that overcomes the 3 main reasons why people struggle to grow at home: space, time, and don't know how. The HydroArtPod overcomes these problems. The HydroArtPod is a complete indoor gardening system. It doesn't need soil. Water circulates automatically and is kept in the specially shaped spouts, so plants continuously get all the nutrients they need. The app tells you whenever you need to do something. It's that easy. State-of-the-art grow lights mean that your plants grow fast so you can eat them sooner. We designed it like a picture frame to look like green art in your home. Thanks to the special fixings, it hangs on any wall, or you can stand it on its feet. Planting is as easy as using a coffee pot, thanks to our pre-packed seed pods. Unlike other indoor gardens, you will never need to measure plant food. Just drop in the pre-dosed plant food when the app notifies you. We designed the world's first indoor garden with extra support for plants as they grow larger, so you can grow anything from leafy greens to tomatoes, cucumbers, peas and beans. You can harvest your plants from as early as 21 days and continue growing fresh veggies as long as you want for 365 days of the year. The HydroArtPod takes as little energy as a small aquarium and only needs a water top-up every other week. We want to give everyone the opportunity to ditch chemicals and plastic packaging and instead harvest at home all year around. We need your help to bring the HydroArtPod to life. Join us and back our campaign today.
This is LetPot LPH-Max, the world's first 4-in-1 automated smart hydroponic garden. LPH-Max, the new generation of smart hydroponic gardens. So far, LetPot has started the pre-production stage of LPH-Max. We will ship them within a month after crowdfunding. Don't miss out. Be the first to get your hydroponic garden at the best price ever. Come on, let's pot it.